barnyard, what a view! 7 farm friends just for you.
First the cow goes moo, 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 with a coat of black and white too.
Next the pig says oink, 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 rolling in the mud it likes to boink.
Then the sheep goes ba, 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 with fluffy wool soft as a star.
The horse goes neigh, 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 galloping in fields all day to play. The duck goes quack, 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 swimming in the pond
Front and back,
The hen goes cluck, cluck, cluck.
laying eggs with a little cluck.
Last the goat goes ma, 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 climbing rocks near and far. 7 farm animals.